Hello there, and welcome to Skill Today. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to use ChatGPT, a large language model trained by OpenAI. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you with a wide range of tasks, from answering trivia questions to writing essays. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of what ChatGPT is, how it works, and how to use it effectively. Part 1. Introduction to ChatGPT. First, let's start with an overview of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It is based on the transformer architecture and was trained on a massive dataset of text from the internet. The model has over 175 billion parameters, making it one of the largest language models ever created. ChatGPT is designed to understand and generate natural language. It can complete sentences, answer questions, and even write entire paragraphs and articles. The model can be accessed through an API, which allows developers to integrate it into their applications. Part 2. How ChatGPT works. Now that we have a basic understanding of what ChatGPT is, let's dive deeper into how it works. ChatGPT is based on the transformer architecture, which is a type of neural network that excels at natural language processing tasks. The model works by breaking down input text into a sequence of tokens. Each token represents a word or subword in the input text. The model then processes the sequence of tokens through a series of layers, with each layer refining the representation of the input text. Finally, the model generates output text based on the refined input representation. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate coherent and natural-sounding text. This is achieved through a process called language modeling. During training, the model is exposed to vast amounts of text from the internet and learns to predict the probability of the next word in a sentence given the previous words. This allows the model to generate text that is grammatically correct and semantically meaningful. Part 3. How to use ChatGPT. Now that we have an understanding of how ChatGPT works, let's talk about how to use it. There are a few different ways you can use ChatGPT. Through an API. If you're a developer, you can access ChatGPT through an API. OpenAI provides an API that allows you to generate text using the model. You can use the API to generate text for a wide range of applications, including chatbots, virtual assistants, and content generation tools. Through a website. If you don't have programming experience, you can still use ChatGPT through a website. There are several websites that allow you to interact with the model and generate text. Some of these websites include GPT-3 Playground, Talk to Transformer, and AI Dungeon. Through a command line interface. If you're comfortable using the command line, you can also use ChatGPT through a command line interface. OpenAI provides a command line tool called GPT-3 CLI that allows you to generate text using the model. Part 4. Best practices for using ChatGPT. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, there are some best practices you should follow to use it effectively. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Use high-quality input. The quality of the input text can have a big impact on the quality of the generated output. Make sure to use high-quality input text that is relevant to the task you're trying to accomplish. Provide clear instructions. When generating text with ChatGPT, it's important to provide clear instructions. This will help the model understand what you're trying to accomplish and generate more relevant output. Be specific about what you want the model to do and provide as much context as possible. Use appropriate length input. The length of the input text can also impact the quality of the generated output. If the input is too short, the model may not have enough context to generate meaningful output. On the other hand, if the input is too long, the model may become confused or generate irrelevant output. Aim for input lengths that are appropriate for the task you're trying to accomplish. Fine-tune the model. If you're using ChatGPT for a specific task, you may want to consider fine-tuning the model. Fine-tuning involves training the model on a specific dataset or task to improve its performance for that task. This can lead to better results and more relevant output. Use caution with sensitive information. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it's important to use caution when generating text that involves sensitive information. The model has been known to generate text that contains biased or offensive language, so it's important to carefully review the output before using it. Part 5. Conclusion. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you with a wide range of tasks. It's based on the transformer architecture and is designed to understand and generate natural language. You can use ChatGPT through an API, a website, or a command line interface. When using ChatGPT, it's important to follow best practices to use it effectively. This includes using high-quality input, providing clear instructions, using appropriate length input, fine-tuning the model, and using caution with sensitive information. We hope this video has been helpful in teaching you how to use ChatGPT. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to Skill Today for more informative videos like this one. Thank you for watching.